Hello children, I hope you all are good at your home. So we are going to start our continue the chapter on page number 79. In our previous class we have just read about the sense organs of the different animals and about the insects and owls. Now we are going to start with the animals also sleep. Now how the animals they sleep. Our body needs rest. हमारी बॉडी को क्या चाहिए? रेस्ट. सो वी स्लीप, इसलिए हम क्या करते हैं? सोते हैं. व्हेन वी स्लीप आवर माइंड एंड बॉडी आर नॉट एक्टिव. जब हम सोते हैं हमारी जो माइंड और जो बॉडी है वो एक्टिव नहीं होती है. एनिमल्स ऑल्सो नीड स्लीप. वैसे ही एनिमल्स को भी नींद की ज़रूरत होती है. डिफरेंट एनिमल्स नीड डिफरेंट अमाउंट ऑफ स्लीप. डिफरेंट एनिमल्स को डिफरेंट अमाउंट ऑफ स्लीप चाहिए. सम एनिमल्स स्लीप फॉर अ शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वाइल अदर एनिमल्स स्लीप फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. कुछ एनिमल्स कम टाइम के लिए सोते हैं और कुछ एनिमल्स ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए सोते हैं. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन वेरियस फैक्टर्स. सम ऑफ दीज फैक्टर्स आर गिवन बिलो. नाउ दीज आर डिपेंड ऑन दी डिफरेंट फैक्टर्स एंड सम फैक्टर्स आर गिवन बिलो. फर्स्ट वन इज अमाउंट ऑफ फूड. बिग एनिमल्स ईट अ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ फूड बिकॉज दे नीड मोर एनर्जी. जो बड़े एनिमल्स होते हैं फॉर एग्जांपल एलिफेंट, दे ईट लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ फूड क्योंकि उन्हें ज़्यादा एनर्जी चाहिए होती है. सो दे नीड प्लेंटी ऑफ टाइम टू ईट एंड डाइजेस्ट देयर फूड. और उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम भी चाहिए होता है ताकि वो अपना फूड को डाइजेस्ट कर सकें. इट इज़ फॉर दिस रीज़न दैट दे स्लीप फॉर अ शॉर्ट पीरियड. सो दिस इज़ द रीज़न दैट दे स्लीप फॉर वेरी शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, the African elephant sleeps only 3 hours a day. Now, who sleeps only 3 hours a day? The African elephant. Horses sleep for less than 3 hours a day and cows sleep 4 hours a day. Now, how much time the horses sleep? Less than 3 hours. 3 घंटे से भी कम सोते हैं. And how much time the cow sleeps? It sleeps for the 4 hours a day. Next we have to conserve energy. Now, how they can conserve the energy? Some big animals need to conserve energy. Now, some big animals they need to conserve the energy. So they sleep for many hours. इसलिए वो कितने टाइम के लिए सोते हैं? For so many hours. For example, pythons sleep for about 15 hours a day. अब जो pythons होते हैं, how much time they sleep? In a day they sleep for 15 hours. कितने टाइम के लिए सोते हैं? 15 hours के लिए. As far or for as many as 12 hours a day after feeding. Now, after feeding, after eating the food, how many time they sleep for? For 20 hours. Tigers sleep 16 hours a day. और टाइगर कितने टाइम के लिए सोते हैं? For a 16 hours in a day. Bats sleep around 20 hours a day. Now, how much time the bat sleep for? कितने टाइम के लिए सोता है? For 20 hours. Now, sleeping time varies for animals. अब सारे animals के लिए sleeping time vary करता है. Most animals sleep at night. बहुत से animals हैं जो night में सोते हैं. But animals like owls, bats and mice sleep during the daytime. और ये animals कौन से? Owls, bats and mice, when they sleep in the daytime. Next, sleeping place varies for animals. Now, place भी vary करती है animals के लिए that where they want to sleep. Animals such as zebras, giraffes and elephants sleep in the open. Zebra, giraffe और elephants ये कहाँ पर सोते हैं? In the open place. Leopards sleep on the tree branch and fleas and hippos sleep under the water. Now, where the leopards sleep? On the tree branch. कहाँ पर सोते हैं? On a branch of the tree. And the seals and the hippos, where they sleep? Inside under the water. Migratory birds sleep while flying across the oceans. और जो birds एक प्लेस से दूसरी जगह पे माइग्रेट करती है वो कहाँ सोती है? While flying. Okay, they are sleeping while flying across the oceans. Moles and rabbits sleep in the burrows. Now, where the moles and rabbits sleep? In the burrows. Next we have sleeping posture varies for animals. Now, अब उनका posture कैसा होता है? Okay, while they are sleeping. Horses sleep while standing. Now how the horses are sleeping? वो स्टैंड खड़े हुए ही सो जाते हैं. Bats sleep upside down. How the bats sleep? They sleep upside down while hanging. Okay. Next we have social insects. Now insects like bees, ants and termites are called social insects. Now which insects are called social insects? They are the bees, ants and termites. They have a social structure that include a well defined system of division of labors. Now what they have? They have a social structure. उसमें क्या क्या include है? A well defined system of division of labor. Okay. It means, for example, here we are taking the example of the ants. An ants colony consists of a group of ants living together. What is the colony of ants? In the colony of ants, there are many ants living together. A colony comprises of several underground chambers connected to one another by small tunnels. Now, these colonies are comprises of the several underground chambers. इनमें बहुत सारे chambers होते हैं, different parts होते हैं, और वो किससे connected है? Connected with the tunnels. Okay. Ants make their colony under the soil. वो अपना कॉलोनी कहाँ बनाती है? अंडर दी सॉइल. इन ट्री ट्रंक्स एंड सेफ प्लेस इन आवर होम्स. और कहाँ पर बनाती है? इन द ट्रंक्स ऑफ द ट्रीज एंड एट द सेफ प्लेस, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आवर होम्स, क्लोज टू द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ. और वो जगह कहाँ होनी चाहिए? इट शुड बी क्लोज टू द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ. द अंडरग्राउंड चैम्बर्स हैव स्पेशल रूम्स फॉर nurseries and food storage. Now these underground chambers, they have the special room for nurseries and for food storage. Okay. Nurseries mean the small ants. You can see the small ants, and the chambers are here. Here they are keeping the eggs. Here the queen chamber. This is the queen. The nursery workers, larva, nursery, ant workers, soldier ant. These all are the chambers. Okay. Next we have, there are 3 types of ants. अब कितने types की ants होती हैं? They have the 3 types of ants. The queen ant, male ant and the worker ant. कौन कौन सी है? Queen ant है, male ant है और worker ants है. First one we have the queen ant. The queen ant is the mother of all the other ants in the colony. Now what is the queen ant known as? She is known as the mother of the all ants in the colony. She is the queen ant. Okay. Unlike other ants, she is bigger in size as compared to the other ants. She is bigger in the size. उसकी size कैसी होती है? बड़ी होती है. A queen ant has wings. Now what the queen ant has? She has the wings. The task of the queen ant is to lay eggs. और उसका काम क्या होता है? It only lays the eggs. The queen has very little control over the colony. और उनका कंट्रोल कैसा होता है? बहुत ही कम होता है कॉलोनी पर. An ant colony often has many queens, as the ant colony is having the many queens in the colony. Now what is the work of the male ant? Male ant also have wings. Now this is the male ant. It also has the wings. These are the wings of the male ant. But they die shortly after mating. Now after mating they just die. Worker ants. Depending on the body structure, worker ants are of the following kinds. Now उनके body structure को देखते हुए there are many types of the worker ants, each performing a specific functions. Now they all are performing the specific functions. First one is the soldier ant. A soldier ant guards the opening of the nest to prevent enemies from entering the nest. Now what is the work of the soldier ant? It just guards. जो होल होता है उसके जस्ट बाहर कौन रहता है? द सोल्जर एंट्स. एंड इट ओनली ओपन्स फॉर द एंट्स हु आर ऑफ देयर ओन कॉलोनी, बट इट डजेंट ओपन फॉर द अदर एंट्स. Frogger ant. A frogger ant leaves the nest in search of food. Now what it does? It just leave its nest. क्यों छोड़ देते हैं? For the search of food. When it finds a large amount of food, it returns to the nest and lets other fogger ants to help carry the food bag. Now जो fogger ant होता है, what he does, he just go out for searching the food, and when he finds the food he just come back to the nest and he just convey the message to the other ants of that colony so that they can help him to carry the food to the nest. Next we have the nursery worker ants. Nursery worker ants cares for a newborn ants. Now the nursery workers जो होते हैं, what they do, they just care for the newborn ants. They are called larva. They hatch from the egg. They are the larvas and they are just hatching, means they are coming from the eggs. Next we have the cleaner ant. A cleaner ant is responsible for cleaning the entire nest. Now what is the work of the cleaner ant? Her responsibility is to clean the होल नेस्ट. जो भी उनका नेस्ट होता है उसको क्लीन करने की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी किसकी होती है? क्लीनर एंड की. ओके, कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट वी हैव फूड फॉर एनिमल्स. नाउ व्हाट इज द फूड फॉर द एनिमल्स? मैनी पीपल बिलीव दैट वी शुड गिव food eaten by human beings to animals. Okay, what the people think that whatever the food they are eating, जो भी left over होता है, to whom they should give? To the animals, so that they can feed the other animals. People give ghee, sugar and wheat flour to ants. Now what people do? They just give ghee, sugar and wheat flour to the ants. They often place such food at the entrance of the ant colony. Now what the people do? They just keep these foods, ghee, sugar and wheat flour, where they are putting? At the entrance. जो entrance होता है ant colony का, वो वहाँ पर रख देते हैं. So ants are collecting their food from the entrance of the ant colony. People scatter grains on the ground for birds to feed. Now what people do? They just scatter grains. कहाँ पर scatter करते हैं? On the ground. और वहाँ से birds क्या करती है? वो वहाँ से feed करती हैं. People feed chapatis and bread to cows. Now how people are feeding to cows? They are giving chapatis and bread to the cows. People give bananas to the monkey. Now what people give to monkey? The bananas. We must feed animals too. Now what they are saying, that we should also feed the animals. So children, now what we have just read, animals also sleep. How animals are sleeping, what amount of food they are having, how they conserve their energy, and sleeping time varies for animals, how it varies, how the sleeping place varies for animals, what is the sleeping posture for the animals. After the social insects, who are the social insects? The ants. And how many types of the ants are there, what the work they are doing, and how the food for animals. Okay, so you have to read this chapter at your home twice. The book work, the question answers will be sent you on the WhatsApp. Thank you.